Hi, we just wanted to make this video just to say thanks to the entire organization and for the hackathon. Our presentation video is just at 3 minutes, so we don't want to surpass it, and we just made a new video for just to say thanks. So really thanks for the entire organization. It was a really good opportunity. Actually, this specific project, I was wanting to do it since I don't know, like 2 or 3 years, because it's a consistent problem that happens in a community when I was living in Venezuela. And at the same time, I need help for doing it. So it was really helpful to have Yatin on this one too. I want to dedicate this specific project to my telecommunication professor, Jose Centeno, who sadly died 2 years ago. But he really was an inspiration for me when it came to radio communication frequency and inalambric protocols used in IoT. So really thanks for that. Yes, thank you for this opportunity.
So thanks a lot, Bay Area Hacks, for this hackathon. Me and Maria have learned a lot. Earlier, I was, being honest, I knew few React.js and Express.js, but as the developer is just problem solving, and the developers learn mainly after knowing what to work and then using the different languages. So I learned Chart.js while working on this project, but it was great to learn these languages, and thanks a lot.